What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, while speaking to Newsroom Africa, Chico Twala made it very clear that if Longwe Twala is found to be guilty, then he must go to jail definitely and spend his time there. There is no need to try and defend someone who has been found to be guilty. It's really surprising for a father to be saying that about his son, but this is what he said.
And Sefiso said something about Longwe and all that. I said, no, as far as I'm concerned, I communicated with Senzo's mom. And I thought this matter is before the court. We shouldn't be talking about it and all that on documentaries. So that prompted me to say, you know what, let me communicate with Senzo's mom. But Zakele said, no, since, I'm in Durban with his daughter, let me communicate with them and see if we can meet. Then he arranged a meeting. I spoke to Senzo's mom and I said I was coming. Then that's how the meeting actually occurred,
Now, you would understand and appreciate, Mr. Twala, that, given the fact that we heard damning evidence, in court not too long ago, where a statement approved by Tumelo Madlala, who's currently testifying, suggesting that your son Longwe killed Usenzo Meyiwa and he ran off. So the timing is questionable and the kind of support is questionable because, in your own words, as you've said, even if your son is implicated, it does leave that kind of question in terms of why are you visiting the family?
Not at all. If my son is guilty, he must go and rot in jail.
So just talk to us.
Are you there?
I'm here.
Are you there?
So just talk to us about,
What I'm saying is that not at all. Not at all. I don't think I'm Senzo's mom or any of the Meyiwa family is enemy. My son's enemies cannot be my enemy. And if my son wronged people, he must suffer the consequences. It does not mean that I support what my son. If my son is implicated and is responsible for Senzo's death, he must go and rot in jail. I don't care what people say. I'll always speak to Senzo's mom. As long as she talks to me, no one is going to stop me.
So at one point, Chico Twala used to defend Longwe Twala very much, like a proud father who was very much proud of his own son. But the challenge now came in that Longwe Twala, he more pushed that relationship all the way to the edge and actually ended up straining that relationship with so many of these various issues that he is being running into. For example, there are these theft allegations, not allegations as such, but Longwe Twala was actually arrested for stealing equipment worth 200,000 rands from the home of Chico Twala. And Longwe himself, he is facing these issues with substance abuse. And not only that, he also had a warrant of arrest that he got, and he didn't even show up at the court. So no matter how much proud of his son Chico Twala was, it ended up getting very difficult for him to continue defending his son. And to make matters even worse, in his attempt to try and defend Longwe Twala, Chico Twala ended up getting being entangled into all of these troubles that Longwe Twala was getting into. So Chico Twala has finally realized that he has to distance himself from Longwe Twala. So this relationship between Chico Twala and Longwe Twala, it seems as if it's now beyond repair, and there is a severe breakdown in that trust and family unity, and it seems as if there is no way that this relationship can be repaired, and that is why Chico Twala is going all the way to say that Longwe Twala, if he's guilty, then arrest him, please. So the drama that is there is that Longwe Twala actually failed to appear in court. Then an arrest warrant was actually issued for Longwe Twala. And in court, Longwe Twala actually said that he couldn't attend or go to court because he was ill. So that is the reason that Longwe Twala actually gave for not appearing in court. And on top of that, Longwe Twala actually pleaded guilty and said that yes, I actually stole my father's equipment. He didn't deny those charges. But unfortunately for Longwe Twala, he was then released on a warning. So Longwe Twala actually walked away as a free man. But however, to his father, that relationship has been strained beyond repair. So Longwe Twala's troubles actually do not end there. He has a history of so many legal issues, and at one point he was actually arrested for shoplifting. And that reason for shoplifting, it also influenced heavily the decision that was made when he stole his father's equipment. That decision, although he walked away as a free man, he was actually placed under house arrest. And that meant that he couldn't leave the house or interfere with witnesses or even return back to his father's house. So he actually didn't walk away as a free man after all. So you can see that Longwe Twala has so many troubles and issues that are following him. No wonder Chicco Twala is finally given up on his own son Longwe Twala. So having said all of that, you might think that okay, those are maybe just only the issues that Longwe Twala is ran into. Well, surprise, it's not only that. In 2024, sometime around in October, Longwe Twala was also arrested for a phone theft case. You wonder why Longwe Twala would steal a phone. Like, what would he need that phone for? Because his father is successful and is the son to Chicco Twala. He can get that phone. He can get like literally anything within reasonable demands that he can get from his father. But because of these issues and troubles that are following him, he stole that phone just so he can sell it. You wonder what for. It's really surprising and amazing. So with all of these issues, definitely like this relationship, it needs to be repaired. And there are like a number of ways that this relationship can be repaired. And one of the ways is like addressing the root causes. And the first root cause is Longwe Twala has to like stop his substance abuse and go on a rehabilitation to recover. And obviously open and honest communication is going to be needed, with family members coming in to mediate the discussions between the father and the son to ensure that their relationship is actually repaired. Because when your own father is now like going to the police station to report to you that you've done this and that, it shows that that is no longer a good thing, and family members and rehabilitation might really help Longwe Twala. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.